careful. You're not big enough. You're going to hit your head.
He's been doing it for the last 20 minutes. Why are you going to tell him no now?
Because I've been trying to tell you to make him stop.
You just now told me to make him stop, and I've been letting him do it for the last 20 minutes. It's the only way he's having fun out here is jumping in that raft. But I'm having a little fun.
Well, then get over there with him, because if he hits his head...
Him doing it without me being there is a good thing. Leave it be. Quit. You're boys. Let him do it. You're only going to learn the hard way, and that's how it's going to be. How do you think any of these other kids learned? We threw them in. Mason's still know how to swim, but he's trying.
Tiffany. A lot of good that does when it's on video.
Hey, Katie, you want to try running this summer? A running club? They run different, they just run. There's a running club for kids this summer. Yeah.
Is there a race?
Your age. They might have races, but they don't just race. They just run for fun. Want to try that? It's called Coyote Running Club. Sponsored by the Kokomo Road Runners.
Oh, if that ain't fitting.
Charlie Scoot, the guy who challenged me to put that back up at the top of the vlog, I rode with him today. Dude, freaking tall, man. Charlie Scoot's like 6'8".
Mason, Ian. Hey guys, look at me and smile.
Whoever has shorts that are just the opposite of that, the flames are on the bottom.
What's that hell? If we have this thing together with the oars on it, the mast with the sail, it'd probably go by itself.
Probably go by itself anyway, leave it alone. I'm playing with you, big kid.
It's alright. He's on video playing with it.
Don't worry, we'll email that to everybody you know.
Don't get my camera wet.
No, we want it up top so we can see it. You step on it, it'll break. We don't want it broke. He wants to show you what his utility belt does.
I'm videotaping this. Do you mind?
That mask isn't the only thing.
Runs in the family.
Yeah, I think it's a genetic thing.
She's wearing gloves, it's safe. Those therapies right there held up really well. Held up really well.
Yeah, not bad for $1.67 or something like that.
That's what I mean. It's video, you're stuck. You have no way out.
Honey, I'm videotaping you.
Got two good card in.
Just a one. Twos are in the house.
Put 2 gig in, I bet it lasts all damn day. Better plug the holes first. Not allowed, not allowed, not allowed.
Oh, stop it.
Cut.
Hey, not on mine.
Not on yours? Oh, this is on me, so I guess it's alright then.
Oh, wow.
You want your boat back again?
Be careful.